Hello, thanks for joining me for another review. Right, today we've got a beer from the London Beer Factory, and this is their Summer Solstice. It is a Berliner Weisse, coming in at 4.8% ABV. It's brewed with blood orange and cranberry. 4.8 as I've already said, and the malts are Pilsner and wheat malt. So one of the new release cans, one of the 380 top 330 can. So yeah, the second batch of new beers from Tesco's. Not that I ever got to try everything from the April batch, but yeah, they come out a couple of weeks ago now, and there's not many people talking about this one, so I thought I'd go in for this one first. I've got another 6 of the tall cans down in the fridge, but yeah, just thought I'd crack open the 330ml can. This is £1.80 on its own, or you can pick up 4 for £6, I think it is, something like that. Yeah, let's crack on with it then. So yeah, as I've already said, blood orange and cranberry, and here it is. Didn't produce much of a head. It kind of speaks for itself. More cranberry look than anything else. Let's get an aroma. Definitely picking up that kind of, yeah, cranberry, blood orange, obviously, as it's already said it on the can. Maybe cranberry pulp, maybe. There's a almost like tartness coming in, but let's crack on with it. Cheers, see what we've got on the taste. Wow, okay. That's not bad. It's more tart than I was expecting it to be. Medium sour, upper end of medium kind of tartness. Wow, nice, very refreshing, palate cleanser kind of thing. Oh. Low carbonation, as you can see. There's hardly any carbonation in that, which, you know, it's a sour, but I reckon a little bit more carbonation in this would have possibly lifted the beer. I mean, I don't know. This is all right. It's just a little bit. Yeah, it's hanging around on the palate. I mean, it's very kind of, as the name suggests, very two-dimensional sour. Simple sour beer, blood orange and cranberry. That's pretty much what you're getting. Like the artwork, it's pretty cool. Do like that. Any other information? Born on the winter solstice in December and re-brewed around the summer solstice. This classic Berliner Weisse coincides, get it right, with 2 solar phenomenons and seasons. Tart cranberry aromas of blood orange, balanced with the addition of lactose for increased body, reflects some of the contrast of these 2 annual events. Don't know what that's got to do with the events, but anyway, a refreshing and sharp moreish style. That's pretty much it. Basic, but decent. These guys are out of Norwood in London. Go check them out if you've got a big Tesco's near you. In terms of rating them for me, I'm going to give this a 7.5 out of 10, so a 3.75 on the Untapped scale. Over to Untapped. It might have been around a while. Maybe a few months or so. It's had a total of 623 total check-ins, 376 in the last 30 days. It's had 537 ratings, coming in at 3.73. I'm 3.75, so it's bang on the money. That's pretty damn cool. Yeah, so you've had this one from London Beer Factory. This is their sour solstice. Summer solstice? Got it in my brain. Sour solstice then, from London Beer Factory. I hope I called it the right name at the beginning, but you know what I mean. 4.8%. Yeah, go and check it out. £1.80 a can, or 4 for £6. Not bad. Anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know if I've had it before, and I will see you on the next review. Cheers.